Hi, I'm Jackie from Mellors, and in this video I'm going to walk you through each step of the HRD report. Let's get started. On the summary page, please select your unit number and period. This will then populate into the next page, HRD report. Complete core hours, which will be budgeted hours, then actual hours worked, which is minus any absence, holiday, sick or unpaid leave. Then put any reasons for the difference in hours. Number of staff appraised this year. Record here the number of appraisals completed to date this year and the number outstanding, so we have a clear picture on progress. DBS. Ensure all staff have a current DBS certificate and put any DBS outstanding in the box. All our managers must have attended an induction course in person or virtually to ensure their full understanding of our food safety and allergy management procedures and how to complete documentation to the required standard. All new starters will receive an email from Flo, Mellors training partner, with the login details to their allocated modules. Staff must complete statutory training in food hygiene, health and safety and allergy procedures every 3 years. You must hold certificates as proof of training. Training briefs. All employees must complete a training brief within the period stated here. The 3 topics will change 3 times a year. Record here the number of briefs completed to monitor progress. Staff motivation section. This could be anything from a coffee and cake, a pep talk, some one-to-one. Health, safety, hygiene. In order to ensure the safety of all our employees and customers, there are checks that must be in place. This section ensures you have completed some of these vital checks. Our Mellors sites are subject to internal and external audits to ensure compliance with our procedures and policies. Document here the date and score of your last audits and ensure you have completed any actions given to you. Accidents. It is important to report accidents, incidents or near misses in the unit accident book. This information helps us to prevent further workplace incidents from occurring and reduce the risk of injury to our staff. Copies of completed accident forms must be sent to head office. Record here the number of incidents in the current month and provide some detail. Probe calibration. Food thermometers need to be calibrated once per month to ensure that they are working correctly and giving an accurate reading in order to produce safe food to our customers. Record here the test result for your probe. Remember to use the correct method as documented at the front of your kitchen diary. Hazards. As an employee, you can reduce the risk of accidents by reporting any faulty equipment or other workplace hazards as soon as possible. Make this part of your work routine to look for hazards. This will reduce accidents. Record in this section and in the kitchen comments section of the kitchen diary any hazards or equipment issues you reported. Signature. Sign and date here to confirm that all the information in this report is true to the best of your knowledge. Once completed and all the boxes are filled in, save the document and email to hr@mellors.co.uk.